Hey, I'm Savannah. I'm the designer here at StorySite, and I'm going to show you how to update your logo within your StorySite template. So it is pretty simple, hopefully. There's two places where you can access your logo. You can go into the Design tab right here, and then go to Logo and Title, and this is where your logo is that shows up site-wide. So you can go ahead and trash this one and then upload your existing one. I will say I recommend PNGs with a transparent background, so making sure it doesn't have like that white block in the background, and then try to keep it either the light version or the dark version depending on the template that you have. In this case, Poplar has like a light background, so I would recommend the dark version of your logo, and then vice versa. If you had a darker background, maybe using like the white or the lighter version of your logo. So that's how you update it. The other place to access, or the other way to access this part, is you can just hover over your logo and hit edit. So that's a little bit faster if you like that better. So that's where you update your logo. You can also update the site title if your name, if the name of your company or something changed. So you can actually update that here, and so that's what's going to show up in the browser icon, as well as when somebody searches for you, that's what shows up as the site title on Google. And then down below the browser icon, this is what shows up right here in the browser panel. And so again, if you update your logo or if colors change or something like that, you will want to update the favicon too. And an important thing about this is just to make sure that the aspect ratio is a square. A lot of times we'll see somebody just drop in their logo, but it's like more vertical and then it gets like really stretched. And so just making sure whatever the icon is actually in a square aspect ratio. And then also having it be like the most or the least detailed as possible. So I would recommend not using the full logo. I would recommend using like a less detailed icon if that can be pulled from your logo, or even just a letter. You know, if your company's name is Poplar, maybe just using a P or something like that, just so that it doesn't get super crammed in the browser icon because you have so little space. And then last but not least, there is a social logo down here, and this is just what shows up if you're like sharing the website link via text message or Facebook or whatever. So it's just an image like this if you did want to create that. We don't typically add that in, but you can totally add that in as you're updating your logo. So hopefully this video is helpful, and let us know if you have any questions.